Have you ever wondered how your favorite burger is made before it reaches your plate? Today, we're taking you inside a state-of-the-art burger manufacturing factory to see the entire process, from fresh ingredients to perfectly packed patties. Meat selection and grinding. It all starts with high-quality meat. Factories source fresh beef, chicken, or plant-based ingredients, which are carefully inspected to meet hygiene and quality standards. The meat is then placed into massive grinders, turning it into a fine mixture. Mixing and seasoning. Once the meat is ground, it's time to enhance the flavor. The factory adds a precise mix of salt, pepper, and secret spices. Some burgers even include breadcrumbs, onions, or special sauces for that unique taste. Forming patties. Next, giant machines press the seasoned mixture into perfectly shaped patties. Whether thick, thin, square, or round, each patty is formed with exact measurements to ensure uniform cooking. Freezing and quality control. To keep the patties fresh, they pass through a high-speed freezing tunnel that locks in flavor and texture. Quality control teams inspect the patties, ensuring they meet weight and size standards before moving to the next stage. Cooking and packaging. Some patties are partially cooked in industrial ovens, while others remain raw for fast food restaurants to cook fresh. After cooling, the patties are stacked and packed into airtight containers to maintain freshness. Bun production. Meanwhile, burger buns are also prepared in the factory. Dough is mixed, shaped, and baked to perfection. Once cooled, the buns are sliced and packaged, ready to be paired with delicious patties. Delivery to restaurants and supermarkets. Once everything is ready, the burgers are shipped to supermarkets and fast food chains worldwide. From here, they reach your favorite restaurants, where they are grilled, stacked with fresh toppings, and served to you. And that's how burgers are made in a factory. From fresh meat and buns to the final mouth-watering product, each step ensures quality and taste. Next time you enjoy a burger, you'll know exactly how it was made. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing food factory tours. Ever wondered how your favorite stick ice cream is made? Today, we're taking you inside a modern factory to see the cool process, from liquid mix to frozen delight. Mixing the ingredients. It all starts in the mixing room. Ingredients like milk, cream, sugar, and flavorings are poured into large stainless steel tanks. Pasteurization. Next, the mix is heated and pasteurized to kill any harmful bacteria. This ensures safety and consistency. Homogenization and cooling. The hot mix is homogenized to break down fat molecules, then rapidly cooled to about 4 degrees Celsius before heading to the freezer. Freezing and molding. Now the magic begins. The mix is poured into molds shaped like ice cream bars. Wooden sticks are inserted automatically. Hardening tunnel. The molded ice creams pass through a hardening tunnel at 40 degrees C. This freezes them solid within minutes. Chocolate coating and add-ons. Some bars get a delicious chocolate dip or crunchy coating. They're quickly dipped and then cooled again to harden. Packaging. Finally, each ice cream bar is carefully wrapped, sealed, and boxed, ready to be shipped to your local store. Outrow and fun fact. From tank to stick, it all happens in under an hour. Next time you enjoy an ice cream bar, you'll know just how much work and love went into it. Welcome to Tech Machine, from the orchard to your glass. Today, we take you on a fascinating journey inside a mango juice factory, where nature meets technology to create your favorite refreshing drink. Collection and sorting fresh mangoes are collected from farms and transported to the factory. Here, they're sorted manually and by machines to remove any damaged or unripe fruit, ensuring only the best make it to the next stage. Washing and cleaning. The selected mangoes undergo a thorough washing process to remove dirt, pesticides, and impurities. Clean mangoes are crucial for maintaining hygiene and flavor. Peeling, destoning, and pulp extraction. Next, the mangoes are peeled and destoned by high-speed machines. The juicy pulp is carefully extracted, separating it from the skin and seed. Pulp pasteurization. The extracted pulp is then pasteurized. This process involves heating the pulp to eliminate harmful bacteria and extend shelf life without losing the natural flavor. Mixing and flavor adjustment. The pasteurized pulp is mixed with water and sugar, and sometimes natural additives for consistency and taste. The blend is tested for quality and flavor before moving to bottling. Bottling and sealing. The juice is filled into sterilized bottles or cartons using automated filling lines. Each bottle is sealed tightly to ensure freshness and hygiene. Quality control and packaging. Every batch goes through strict quality checks for taste, pH, consistency, and safety. Once cleared, the bottles are packed into cartons, ready to hit the shelves. And there you have it, The journey of mango juice from farm to fridge. A perfect blend of nature and technology, bringing freshness to your table with every sip.